A missing Walmart delivery usually happens when the order is marked as delivered by the driver before it physically reaches your address, or when the delivery is delayed at the final scan stage inside the logistics system. By the end, you'll know how to confirm what actually happened to your order, how to report it correctly, and how to fix the issue inside the Walmart without getting stuck in support loops. The first thing to check is your delivery status inside the order details. If it shows delivered, but nothing is at your door, it usually means the driver completed the drop-off scan incorrectly, or left the package in an unexpected location. Next, check your delivery proof. Walmart drivers often upload a photo or delivery confirmation note. That photo usually shows where the package was left, even if it's not directly in front of your door. If there is no photo or unclear proof, the delivery may still be in transit but prematurely marked as completed. This can happen during high-volume delivery windows when scan updates get ahead of actual drop-off timing. Also check around all common drop points. Packages are often left at side doors, building mailrooms, reception desks, or hidden from street view to prevent theft. Missing deliveries are often found within a few meters of the main entrance. If you still cannot locate it, go back into your order and select the issue reporting option. Choose Missing Item or Not Received so the system flags the order for investigation. When submitting the report, include clear details like the delivery time shown in the app and any notes from the driver. This helps Walmart support match your claim with the delivery scan data. After reporting, the system may initiate an internal review. During this time, the order stays marked as delivered while the investigation checks GPS logs and driver confirmation data. If the package is confirmed lost or incorrectly delivered, Walmart typically issues a replacement or refund depending on item availability and store policy. To reduce future issues, enable delivery notifications so you can see when the driver is approaching in real time. This gives you a chance to retrieve the package immediately after drop-off. To sum it up, missing deliveries usually come from early delivery scans, misplaced drop-offs, or incomplete tracking updates. The fastest fix is checking delivery proof, searching nearby drop points, and reporting the issue directly in the app. The next step is to review your order details and submit a missing item report with accurate timing, so the system can verify the delivery properly. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of delivery and app issues that usually feel random but actually follow clear logistics patterns once you know where to look.